We're taking a new angle on the beautiful game. This is 2v2 to cross goals. Here, we're working on players' attacking and shooting skills. Use cones to create a square space with a goal or pair of cones in the middle of each end line and each touch line. That's right, 4 goals. Divide your players into 2 teams, 1 in pennies. Here's how it looks. 2 attackers initiate play, trying to score on any goal except for the goal behind them. 2 defenders, meanwhile, can steal or intercept the ball and score 2, just not on the goal behind them. When a player scores or the ball goes out of bounds, new players rotate in and a new round begins. With so many ways to score, we want players heads up to find the closest goal and attack it as soon as they receive the ball. Or we want their heads on a swivel, looking to find their partner who should be running to open space to receive a pass. Coaches, with 3 goals to protect, it's easy for defenders to get discouraged. Encourage them to work together to put pressure on the attackers and try to steal the ball away, like this.
Good defense.
Remember, heads up, find the nearest goal, take a shot. So many goals, so little time.